Hello guys and welcome. At the left side you see that I cracked my 20k mark, and at my dashboard you don't see it. But let us first transfer money into my interactive broker account. In this case I want to transfer around 750, and today I had a presentation which went really bad, so I don't feel that well, but it is a part of our life, right? So in this case let me just jump into the future and show you how much money I've got and how my transfer worked. As you can see, we are here in the future and my money is on my account, and it's insane to see how beautiful it looks like to crack the 20k mark. The scale is as well like going in the same direction to my first 100k. It sounds maybe small, but if you look 2 years back, I started with 50 and now I'm at over 20k in 2 years. So my goal to reach around 10k per year is successful, but maybe I'm able to continue with that and maybe as well invest a little bit more to gain my first 100k even faster. If you would imagine right now, almost 1/4 of my total investment are gains. My profit is around 4,400 and Google is a big player for that, and as well my biggest single stock holding. My Google investment alone made me a profit of 1,900. And this is insane. I just have the stock around 2 years and it went just up. And I won't buy any more of Google. And let us look how much dollars I have on my account, and it is currently 943. And the first stock that I want to buy is a little bit more of Duolingo. It won't be a big position, and I just want to buy around $100 in Duolingo, and I could imagine it will go up again in the future because I use it every day. I have a pretty high streak around it, and the money which I have to pay for the subscription, I will invest that. And I won't invest huge, and I own around 0.34 of this stock with an average price of 318, and it went just down to 183, and that is a great chance to buy a little bit of it. So what I want to buy is in USD, and I will just buy around $100. Let us try to get one stock, how much it would be. Okay, no, I just want to buy around $100. I don't want to think about the stock and what will happen in the future, but $100 investment to get around almost one stock in Duolingo is enough for today. Let us preview it. And in this time, I put my money earlier into my broker and transfer it into the currency that I want, and it's always USD. And after that, now I can do my investments, and we have time right now in which the market is open. So if I submit my order and pay my commissions and fees of 35 cents, I will immediately get my Duolingo stock. So the order is already filled. And if we go into my portfolio and look at my positions, you can see it went already through. Okay, now as you can see, my average price went down as well to around 236 USD, and it is the stock in which I had the most loss until now, but I didn't buy it in a big position. So let us see if it go up again or not, but I think it is a subscription. A lot of people will use it even more, like I do it right now for every day, and let us see. The next stock that I want to buy is as well not that much, but I just want to grow my position a little bit in Amazon. And with that, I will just buy around as well 100 USD, because for this month I made big investments into crypto. So I don't want to buy big positions of single stocks. Choose the market price and submit my order. Let us see my portfolio if it went through. Yes, it went through. And now I have to wait until my money. Oh, it's updated. Okay, I have left 742 and I will use the whole amount to buy the S&P 500 VOO. And I have an average buying price of 555, and it is currently at the all-time high. And in times like this, even if it is at an all-time high, I know in the future it will just go up, and it's still pretty early to buy. It is never all-time high. You could imagine it is maybe right here, or here, or here. Hopefully you understand that. It will go up. So I will buy 740 USD and preview it, and let us submit my order. And my order has been filled. Let us go into my portfolio, and it's already go through. So my goal to reach my first 100k is coming closer. I cracked my 20k mark earlier than I thought. And for this coming year, I will spread my money even more, because I think I risk here a lot of money and as well even more in crypto. But overall, let us see what the future will bring like. And I want to do as well a couple of sure investments. You see now Duolingo is updated. I didn't know as well. My money is still on my account, but it shouldn't be because it went through already. Maybe I have to refresh this page. Yes, it just needed to be refreshed, the whole page. In the future, I will do the same. First, I want to change my money and wait a couple of days until it's going through, because otherwise it just shows you that you have negative positions and it's not true. You already changed the money, but it is not updated. So let us see what the future will bring. But if we look at the biggest position that I have, it is my S&P 500 with almost 7,700 USD. And I want to grow that to 100K and then switch up. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.